Welcome to using Google Sites to create a classroom website. My name's Eddie Matthews and I will be narrating this e-learning module. We will now begin Lesson 1 that involves setting up a website using Google Sites. Assuming that you have verified your Kerrville ISD email address in your Google Apps account, let's go ahead and click on the Sign In. If you have not done this, please check an email address or contact your campus technology coordinator or technologist, or even the technology department, and they can assist you. So for instance, you would use your same email address you normally use for checking your Kerrville ISD email. In my case, it will be edward.matthews@kerrvilleisd.net. I will put in my password. I normally keep the box checked so that it's convenient for editing throughout the day, but if you are using a lab computer or a public one, then you might want to uncheck it for safety. Otherwise, it's okay to keep checked. Go ahead and click Sign On. Then it'll ask you if you want to keep the password. I'm going to say OK. As you will see, I am successfully logged into the Kerrville ISD account. I will now come up here to the menu, click the More button, and click Sites. If you forget to do this, you could always do a search through the Google right here, and it will quickly come up on the list. As you will notice, I have several sites already created as I've been demonstrating this, but you will click now the Create New Site button. You will want to click in a name. You will notice that it automatically puts the name of the site in the URL here. For the purposes of our training in this lesson, and for convenience, I would recommend that you go ahead and click on the Browse Gallery and select a classroom template. You can even filter a little more by clicking on the Schools and Education. And as you can see, even after the filtering, there's quite a bit on the list here. There's science fair templates, there are project sites, student sites, newspapers, you name it, quite a bit. Let's click on the one here at the top, classroom site. I'm going to hit select. And as you can see, I added it to the list. It's highlighted. We're going to come down here where it says choose a theme, and I just want to point this out for now. Because there's already a theme associated with the classroom site, I recommend that you just leave the default for now. There's more options down here, and the site description is very much like meta tags in that you might want to put in something like, Kerrville ISD, comma, if it's a biology, you might want to do biology. If it's economics, you might want to put that in. And so I'm not going to put much in it here because it's just simply for testing purposes. So I'll just do test site. I recommend that you, under the collaboration settings, that you go ahead and keep the radio button on checked for everybody at Kerrville ISD. If you are indeed using this as a collaboration tool for your students and other teachers, maybe even parents who can check homework assignments, then you can go ahead and check that now. So, assuming you're all finished, go ahead and click the Create Site button. Once Google has finished creating your new site, you'll see it on your list. As you see here, EM Test Site. We'll click it for verification, and you'll notice that you have a nice little template that has many of the features that you would use in your classroom. It has a place for homework assignments, for credit. There's a place where you can have a picture for your teacher. There's a place for announcements, a calendar, reading lists. You can take polls. There's a place where you can upload files, permission slips, reading lists, school calendars. And this consequently is all tied in through your Google documents. So the integration of Google Apps is fabulous, and you will come to enjoy that very much. In following lessons, you will learn how to edit these pages and delete features that you do not want, as well as learn how to upload files. So, thank you for watching Lesson 1 tutorial.